what's going on, everybody? It's Fast Food Toy Reviews here, and today we have an oldie but a goodie. It's a set of 4 classic games released by HARDEE'S back in 1997. Let's get them opened up and have a little fun. First up in the set is Operation. Who remembers this game? Who has this game? This game is still around. You find it on the shelves at like all your favorite retail stores. It's still everywhere. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, so it looks like we have some reading to do. Let's find out what this has to say. This classic game of skill makes you the doctor and Cavity Sam is the patient. It's up to you to cure Sam's ills, which include everything from a broken heart, butterflies in his stomach, and water on the knee, to a bad case of writer's cramp. Be careful though, because as kids for generations have found out, one wrong move can turn into an alarming experience as Sam's nose lights up. Since 1965, Operation has been a favorite of families for generations. Yes, this game has been around a long time, even before I was born. So there is Sam, and you can see he's got a broken heart, spare ribs, wishbone, Adam's apple. On the back here, you see Charlie horse. That's funny. Wrenched ankle, water on the knee. This is great. I love this game, and here's the toy. So what does the toy do? Well, not a whole lot, but what you do is you roll these wheels, and it sparks. See the sparkles in there? And that's what the toy does. Kind of cute, I like it. Next up is Candyland. So there we have a little boy and a girl running along. You open this up. Let's see what's on the other side. Okay, so let's read it. Something wonderful has happened in Candyland. All of Candyland's special friends now live in such favorite places as Peppermint Forest, the Gumdrop Mountains, the Lollipop Woods, and other sweet spots. This classic game has you meet such exciting pals as the cuddly official Gumdrop Mountain greeter Jolly, the sweet Princess Lolly, and the cool Mr. Mint. They're all here to help you find the missing King Candy, the Imperial Head Bonbon, and Grand Jujube of Candyland. So there's Plumpy. Good stuff. Okay, and on the back it reads, this timeless adventure has many twists and turns and has delighted kids for years. Milton Bradley first produced Candyland back in 1949, and generations of Americans still enjoy this classic beginner's game today. There's King Candy, there's Jolly. Oh, it's good stuff. And there is Mr. Mint. Oh, this is great. And see, let's take a look at this toy. Okay, so there's Candyland, and you open it up, and inside, look at this. Okay, so it's like a little game. So you got the little red balls in there, and you can see the little holes. You have to line it up and try to get all the balls on the holes. Let's see if we can get one on there. It's kind of tricky. Come on, get on there. Wow, this is kind of hard. Oh, there, we got one. See it? It's right there. I got one. So there you go, Candyland. Next we have Mousetrap. Yes, I remember all these games. And to this day, I could never understand how to truly play Mousetrap. I never really got it, even when I was a kid. So let's see what's going on in here. Caught napping, lose 3 pieces of cheese. Okay, I see what's happening here. So let's read this. This is the crank that kicks the marble, that rolls down the chute, that moves the hand, that drops the marble into the tub, that flips the diver into the pool, that triggers the cage, that traps the mouse. For years, kids have known that this jingle means one thing: the comical fun of Mousetrap. This classic game, introduced in 1963, continues to amaze kids with its crazy contraption that you build piece by piece as you race to be the mouse that doesn't get trapped. Watch out though, because the trap could spring at any time. Kids of yesterday and today know that with its turning, rolling, cranking, flipping, mouse-catching contraption, you'll love the zany fun of Mousetrap. My goodness, I remember this game. It is kind of crazy. Let's see, Fat Cat, go back to start. Okay. Oh, good stuff. All right, so here is the toy. Underneath you got a couple little wheels there, and that's it. You just roll the wheels back and forth, and it looks like the mouse is chasing the cheese. Kind of neat. And last in the set is Battleship. Yes, I remember playing this all the time when I was a young kiddo. I loved this game. It was lots of fun. I played it for hours, actually. So let's see what it reads. Battleship, do you have what it takes to command your own fleet of ships? Can you survive thrilling, ruthless combat on the high seas? So let's open this up. Oh, and inside here it looks like we have some game instructions. Battleship rolling ink stamper instructions. Oh, okay. Place the base. Okay. No problem. Instructions. I like it. Stalk your enemy through unfriendly waters, secretly plot your plan of attack, then fire. It's a hit, but remain on red alert, for your adversary wants victory as much as you do with the shout, "You sank my battleship!" This game has thrilled kids with its naval adventures and intrigue for 30 years. So for a whole ocean's worth of fun, it's blast the torpedoes and full speed ahead with Battleship. And on the other side, okay, so there's the playing board, so to speak. Very neat. And looks like some more Battleship kind of stuff. 4 hits to sink the Battleship. Oh, okay. Very cool. And this is the toy that you get with this set. So let's see, let's open this up. And inside is a rolling stamper. Let's see if it actually still works. I grabbed a piece of sheet paper here. And look at that. After all these years, it still kind of leaves the mark. It didn't dry out completely. So let's see, what do we got there? Direct hit, boom, you sank my battleship. You barely make it out. But you know what? It's okay. The real game is really fun. You should try it. So there you have it, everybody. Classic game set of 4 awesome little toys released by HARDEE'S back in 1997. Wow, these toys take me back to my childhood. You know, these toys, for what it's worth, aren't really doing a whole lot for me, but the real games, if you try them, I believe you'll absolutely love them. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. See you next time.